Are you looking for your next role in the chemicals sector? Well, keep watching to see some of our hottest and latest jobs from around the globe. Senior Process Safety Engineer. You'll manage, participate in and lead when required a variety of safety-related studies and risk assessments for the business. The ideal candidate will have a degree in chemical or process engineering, 10 years of industry experience and knowledge of relevant safety regulations. Welding Technician. You'll operate the site welding quality management systems, providing administration and support to the business when required. The ideal candidate will have NVQ2 or equivalent, relevant HSE certifications and industry experience including EPC projects. Startup Advisor. You'll provide project support during engineering pre-commissioning, commissioning and the startup period. The ideal candidate will have supervision and chemical experience, be fluent in English and have the relevant advanced engineering skill level. Site Civil Engineer. Joining a large cracker construction project, you'll ensure that all CSA engineering issues are properly resolved in a timely manner. The ideal candidate will have sound knowledge of key discipline areas, 15 years of experience in an engineering role and be degree qualified and chartered. Commercial Focal Point. You'll coordinate, monitor and control the provision of invoicing, purchase order tracking systems and cost control processes. The ideal candidate will have experience in a similar role, strong communication skills and be able to work under pressure and to deadlines. Mechanical Designer. In this exciting role, you'll carry out studies and engineering designs for projects under the supervision of the engineering project manager. The ideal candidate will have a degree in mechanics or similar, be skilled in analysing and reporting issues and have knowledge of relevant design software. Lithium Operations Planning Advisor. You'll provide operations planning expertise to all lithium investments, including relevant technical and maintenance input. The ideal candidate will have a degree in science, engineering or similar, 10 years of relevant industry experience and strong communication and collaboration skills. Senior Crisis Management Officer. In this vital role, you'll offer crisis management support, monitoring and detecting early signs of an emergency and responding accordingly. The ideal candidate will have a degree in emergency management or similar, 8 years of relevant experience and the relevant IC certifications. That's all for this week. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. And don't forget, you can also head over to nesfircroft.com to find more information and even more vacancies across all our sectors.